Okay. Things are happening. So, do you guys remember that time when Donald Trump suddenly had mega interest in South Africa and he was speaking about the Land Expropriation Act, which he actually misunderstood? Well, guess what? You know what? You can't exactly sue Donald Trump at this point. But who's the next best thing to sue? Let's get right into it. So the Hawks have confirmed that 4 dockets of high treason. Do you know what high treason is, guys? Do you know what treason is? We'll talk about that in a bit. But the Hawks have confirmed that 4 dockets of high treason have been opened following accusations of the spread of misleading information in the United States on South Africa's Land Expropriation Act. If you ask me for my opinion, I don't know why Donald Trump was jumping into this, but you know what? It is what it is, okay? It is what it is. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party and other parties or individuals are said to have registered They're said to have registered the complaints following allegations that the United States President Donald Trump was misled about the land issue. This led to Trump attacking South Africa, accusing it of human rights and Dondoni abuses against Afrikaners. Can you handle that? That the Afrikaners are said to be under abuse that we are unaware of. Forget what they did to us. But you know what? Asiko Lapo, Hawks head general Godfrey Livia told the press that if the prosecutorial authority finds sufficient evidence, they won't hesitate to bring those people before the courts. Now, who are those people? It says here, hashtag Afriforum, hashtag Hawks. So Afriforum, they're coming for you, okay? This is breaking news shared by Griselda Lewis over there on the X app that is owned by Elon Musk, who is also part of sharing, or should I say mis-sharing information on his very own platform that he owns. Yesterday, somebody, I think I responded to a tweet. I saw a response or a comment that said, listen, I don't care that Elon Musk owns Twitter. He found us on this app. So when he bought the app, he bought it with us, the users. And I said, you know what? That's quite factual. But that doesn't change the fact that Elon Musk can literally hit that block button. So let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. Umkhonto weSizwe and other parties which are not being named or individuals have registered complaints with regards to what the US President Donald Trump. And I ask myself, what did President CYRILRAMAPHOSA do about it other than responding on X app to this situation? And I believe CYRILRAMAPHOSA said something along the lines of, this is our South Africa, stay out of our South African affairs. But do you blame Donald Trump for not fact-checking like they do over there on a podcast and chill, where they have a fact-checker? Donald Trump just reacted without actually checking the facts. And unfortunately, it had a ripple effect. We all know that US aid has pulled out of funding of, a lot of things in South Africa. A lot of institutions, a lot of nonprofits have lost their funding. So is that also under, should Afriforum also be blamed for that? I definitely want to hear your opinions in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on our next upload. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, because I think this is a good video to share. People need to know that, Donald Trump, his actions have resulted in Afriforum receiving, receiving Afriforum being under fire, but allegedly, okay, because I haven't seen the court documents. But guess what? Also stands out right now? Does that mean, remember, the Afrikaners have been offered free passage, okay? Safe passage, rather, over there to the Americas, they get to, claim refugee status because of all this trauma, this human rights abuse that they are experiencing in South Africa, classifies them as refugees, and they can go over to America, claim refugee status under a special program, even though the refugee dondonis have been suspended over there in America, but just for the Afrikaners, it has been opened up. The question is, have they left? Will they leave? Or should I say, when are they leaving? When are they taking Donald Trump up on his refugee status? That means, that refugee status does not include, their house helpers, It does not include their house helpers or any other helpers that they have. It means they have to leave their homes, their businesses, and the land that is supposedly, a violation of their human rights. This African land, this Land Expropriation Act that South Africa has implemented, that is such a human rights travesty to the Afrikaners. I'm going to end this video right here. Definitely want to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll definitely catch you on my next upload.